So this is our seated leg press machine. Before you hop in here, I want to show you guys that we got this lever right here. This is going to help you move the seat up and down for your starting position. Pull it up, let go of the lever, and it'll lock in place. You'll go ahead and step up here into the machine and take a seat. Over here you got your weight stack. This is where you select the weight that you want to do for your exercise. Get your feet placed on the foot plate in front of you. I would say about a shoulder width apart, and you can have your toes pointing straight forward or slightly outward. For your starting position, you want to pull up on this lever and go down as far as you can. Release, and that'll be your in position. Make sure your back is fully on the lumbar pad and that your hands are on the handle. We go ahead and press with your legs and push up. Make sure at the top, we do not want to lock our knees ever. Always keep them slightly bent at the top. Go ahead and squat down and you'll press. And then down and back up. When you are finished with your exercise, pull this lever up. You can press up free of weight, let go of the lever, and it locks in. Put your feet down, and now you can step out of the machine. And that is our seated leg press.